Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. So here we start the video. Here's in this video we are discussing about how to make DIY serum at home that make your skin brighter, shinier and whiter. So without wasting of time, let's begin to the video. Let's start the serum number 1. Take 4 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and mix it with 4 tablespoons of rose water and then add 2 Avalon capsules, vitamin E capsules and mix it well and make a mixture and save it in a dropper bottle. Use it daily at night for better results. Here is serum number 2. Take 2 tablespoons of orange peel powder and add 4 tablespoons of rose water and mix it well and add 4 tablespoons of glycerin and save it in a dropper bottle and use it every night. It can give you better results. It can clear your skin, remove dark patches and give you a very smooth skin in just 1 month.